Hello and welcome to AMG Time And Attendance system video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import employees from Excel file. First of all, you should ask your software vendor to provide you with the employee import template file. So here's the file. Here you should enter the list of employees whom you want to import into AMG Attendance system. Almost any data available in the employees page can be entered using this Excel file. The only required fields in the list are the following ones: code, which is unique; page, which is also unique; first name and last name. All other fields are optional, so you can either enter them or leave blank. When the list is ready, you should save it either in TXT or CSV format. For that, go to File, Save As, select either Text, Tab Delimited format or CSV, comma delimited format, and save the file somewhere in your computer for importing later into AMG Attendance system. Now, when file is ready for importing, let's go to AMG Attendance system and import it. For that, you should go to Tool section, open Import menu and select Import Employees submenu. On the screen is being opened Employee Import Wizard, which has several steps. On the first step, you should first of all click on Browse button and choose the import file from your computer. Then from Delimiters drop-down list, select the delimiter of columns used in your created import file. In our case, it is a comma delimited file, so we select comma option. Then from Date Format drop-down list, select which date format you have used in the import file, if you have entered any dates. In our case, it was month, day, year. Then check Add New Employees box if you are importing new employees, or check Update Existing Employees box if you are importing information about your existing employees, or check both options if you want both to add and update employees. Then click on Next button. On the second step, you should select those fields which are not being imported from file, but are required to be selected. Headquarters, division and group can also be imported from file, but if you haven't entered them in import file, then to all employees being imported will be applied headquarters, division and group selected from this tab. Also, for all employees being imported, enter correct status date. Select status, working time, employment and pay policy, and then click on Next button to go to next step. On the next step, you should match the columns of your selected import file with the fields of the system. Remember that it's not required to select and match all columns. The only required fields are code and page. All other fields you can match only if you want to import them. After matching all fields, click on Next button. Here is the final step of Employee Entry Wizard. You should click on Finish button to finish the import process. If file is being imported successfully, then you will receive message informing how many employees were inserted and how many were updated. In contrary, if in the import file there are some invalid data, then the file will not be imported and you will receive corresponding message informing about the problem. In that case, you should correct the inconsistencies in import file and try again. Now let's go to Employees section and see imported employees. Here you see them. All are successfully imported. Anyway, note that importing employees by wizard is not enough for full configuration of employees. You still need to add some information such as schedule, wage, benefits, etc. That's all about importing employees from Excel file. Thank you for your attention.